To make a Webull account under 18, you will need the help of a parent or guardian, as Webull requires all account holders to be at least 18 years old. Start by gathering the necessary information and documents, including your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number and a valid form of identification such as a passport or driver's license. Have your parent or guardian create a custodial account, which is a type of account that is held in the name of a minor but managed by an adult. When creating the account, your parent or guardian will need to provide their own personal and financial information, including their social security number and employment status. Once the account is created, you can fund it by depositing money from a bank account or other financial institution. Webull does not charge any fees for deposits or withdrawals, but your bank may charge a fee for transferring money. After the account is funded, you can start investing in stocks, ETFs, and other securities. Webull offers a variety of educational resources and tools to help you get started with investing, including tutorials and market analysis. It is also a good idea to talk to a financial advisor or other investment professional to get personalized advice and guidance. It is also important to keep in mind that as a minor you will not have full control over the account, and your parent or guardian will be responsible for making all investment decisions. However, this can be a great way to learn about investing and start building wealth at a young age.